While a nature-inspired garden is always a delight, some of us still have to intervene when certain unwanted elements make their way into our gardens. Every gardener knows the joys of planting, but also the frustration of weeds. They creep into garden beds, pop up between pavers, and compete with our plants for water and nutrients. Left unchecked, weeds don't just spoil the look of a garden, they actually hold your plants back from reaching their full potential. Now, pulling them out by hand works for a while, but many weeds have strong root systems that come back again and again. Others seed so quickly that before you know it, they're back, stronger than ever. If you've ever cleared a bed only to see it covered in weeds again a week later, you'll know exactly how discouraging it can be. That's why it helps to use a smart solution that goes beyond the surface. The right product doesn't just knock weeds back for a few days, it tackles them at the root. One of the tools I like to keep on hand is a targeted weed control solution designed for home gardens, like Efekto XT. It's quick, efficient, and formulated to get right to the root of the problem without endless re-pulling. The key is timing. Weeds are most vulnerable when they're young and actively growing, so early spring and summer are the perfect times to spray. Choose a warm, dry day with little to no wind and avoid spraying just before rain. This allows the product to be absorbed properly and do its work efficiently. And of course, safety matters. Always wear gloves, long sleeves, and avoid spray drift onto your flowers or edibles. A little care in application goes a long way to keeping your garden healthy while staying safe. So next time you're faced with stubborn weeds, don't let them take away your garden's beauty or your enthusiasm.